guys, this is for my new channel, and it's when I'm skateboarding with my Enjoy board, grip tape, and well, I'm going to be wearing my beanie and this jacket for when I'm skateboarding, and plus my friend, two of my friends are going to probably be in some of my videos, and then I am going to be in a video called Songs in Real Life, not the one by Steve. My friend and my friends in my version of Songs in Real Life, and so I hope you please comment on this, and please leave suggestions in the box below so I can practice whatever trick or thing you want me to do on my YouTube channel. And please subscribe me. Bye.